Hey everyone, welcome back to my sewing channel. Today I have an Oro Rosa pattern for you. If you saw a couple months ago, I was pretty obsessed with making the Erica Bowler bag, and so now I'm on to a new obsession, the Luna Retro Crossbody bag. This little cutie, she has my heart. I am currently carrying this bag as well, and I just love the design. I love the style. I have a full-size wallet in here and it fits perfectly. I did amend the pattern to make these two overlays be pockets. That is not written into the pattern, but I love that accent on my bag, so I just, moving forward, I just do that. It's a really easy modification to make, so I show you in this video, of course. Other than that, I printed it at 90%, so my bag is about 12 inches wide by 5 inches tall, by 6 inches tall, with a 3-inch depth along the bottom here. And then it has the two external pockets. It has one internal zipper pocket, and then of course the main body opening. Another modification that I made was the straps. I don't have the straps just hanging down on here, so that's different. I just didn't do that. But I do love how she does the connectors here, these little strap connectors onto this front overlay. And so I mirror that, but I made mine a little bit shorter. And of course my strap layout is just a little bit different overall, but I do cover all the modifications in the video. So I hope that you love it. Please let me know. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you care to, and happy sewing. All of my pieces are cut and interfaced and ready to go. So quick synopsis is I have both of my zippers here. I shortened my zipper to 12 inch. This is my top zipper. And then I'm doing an 8-inch zipper for the inside pocket. I have both of my pocket linings here. I have two gusset pieces because I'm using a directional fabric. So I cut them in the right direction and I added a 1/4-inch seam allowance along the bottom. And then I will stitch these right sides together to create one gusset. Then I have both of my inside main panels. And then same thing with the directional fabric. I had to cut them so that they would be right sides up. So I actually cut mine the same as the pattern piece, but I did that because I'm going to change the construction just a little bit, and I hope that it works out the way that I'm thinking that it will. But I will be joining these right sides together and stitching along this top edge here. And then when that's flipped, it'll make one piece, which coordinates with the exterior piece. I have my zipper overlay. I have the bottom accent piece, which mine is a little bit different because I am not going to have the two hooks on the outside edges. I'm just going to have one hook. And then my goal is to loop this up and around to the inside of the bag and then have a key hook on the inside. So we'll see if this shakes out the way that I want it to. But honestly, I don't even know how long this is supposed to be in the pattern, but what I did is I measured my gusset and then I added several inches in hopes that that's going to be enough. Which brings me to, I have my gusset, and then I have my two shoulder strap connector pieces. These are the two pieces that will connect on this shape here. And I shortened mine a couple inches. Because I'm making this pattern at 90%, I don't know the original measurement, but I just made mine 9.5 inches wide. And I did it by 2 because I'm just gonna fold them in like so to create the strap. And so I have 2 of these, and then I have my strap, and then I have the 2 main panels in the cork. Oh yeah, I forgot to add. So for the hardware, I have 2 zipper pulls, 2 D-rings, 1 strap slide, and 1 zipper end cap. And all of my hardware is 1 inch wide.